In this video, I'll tell you how you can enable the hype option on your YouTube videos. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a like under this video. Hype can help push a video to more people, so if your channel has access to this feature, it is definitely worth turning on. To enable it, open YouTube Studio first, then go to Settings, open Channel, and choose Advanced Settings. In this section, look for the hype option. This feature has to be enabled if you want viewers to be able to hype your videos. If you do not see the hype option anywhere, your channel may not meet the requirements yet. One important requirement is that the channel needs at least 500 subscribers. Also remember that viewers can hype a video only for 7 days after it is published, so this feature is mainly useful right after upload. That's pretty much the full setup. If the option is available on your channel, enable it in YouTube Studio and use it while the video is still fresh because that first week matters the most. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.